Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and today I want to talk to you about a product from Fastcap. It's called the Quick and Easy Trimmer. Simple razor blade holder for trimming edge banding on melamine and laminate, thin tape and 1mm tape. Not for doing it, not veneered woods or anything like that, just on melamine, thin and 1 tape. Let me tell you how I came up with this. So for 28 years, I've been in the closet business, and at times we did iron-on edge banding or we do contour edge banding. And I found the best way to trim stuff was just with a regular sharp utility knife blade. So I would just hold it like this. I found that if you hold a utility knife flat on the material and slide it like this, that it'll do a great job trimming. The problem with that is it's hard to train other people how to do it. And the backside of that razor knife can get kind of sharp. If you're doing a lot of that, it's tough on your fingers. I said, hey, there's got to be a better way. So I got together with Paul and we designed a holder for holding a utility blade knife. Now, the nice thing about this is these cut great when they're sharp. When they start to get dull, all you got to do is take them, throw them out, put a new one in. It's like 17 cents for this. So you can always have a sharp one in there. It's easy. It's got a nice little handhold on the back there. And so you can set it on your product. And all you're going to do is these two fingers back here are going to pull. And with one thumb, you're going to hold that razor knife down flat on there and pull it across here. And it will trim like that. Here's the product in my shop. I've got a guy here and he's trimming a radius hutch that we do contour edge banding on it. And so he's put that on with the contour bander. Just sets it on there. He kind of keeps it at a negative angle here. And that way, if by chance that it catches on the material, it doesn't dig in and he won't damage the part, and it just goes through there nice and smooth like that. You can see how easily he can go around these corners there and just have a nice, easy, simple trim on it. Once again, just nice, simple pull through there. And when the blade gets dull, he starts to notice that after, 10 or so pieces, he can take that blade out and just toss it out and put a new one in and go right back to work. Nice, simple, and easy and quick. So if you want to get you one of these, go to fastcap.com and search for Quick and Easy Trimmer. It'll pop up. There's a little drop down. It's in there with some quad trimmers and other things. I think they're about $5 a piece. All of your install vans need one or two of them on it, and you need a couple in the shop for any station you've got. They also work great if you're cleaning glue off after the edge bander. Sometimes you've got glue on it just on your regular stuff, or you get parts from an outside source and they don't come in like you need them. Great for that kind of stuff too, scraping labels and things like that. So go to fastcap.com, put in Quick and Easy Trimmer, and order you 10 or 12 of them and have them ready on your shop.